Hi everyone, and welcome to our tech series for childcare business owners. Today, we're going to explore how to use Canva to create eye-catching promotional materials like newsletters and flyers. Canva is a user-friendly design tool that can help you create professional quality graphics with ease. By the end of the video, you'll know the basics of creating with Canva, how it can be useful for your childcare business, and other relevant features. In this video, we'll be covering an introduction to Canva, the basics of creating with Canva, designing newsletters, and creating flyers. Let's start with a brief introduction to Canva. Canva is an online graphic design tool that allows you to create a variety of visual content. It's accessible from any web browser and has mobile apps for both iOS and Android. To get started with Canva, open your web browser and go to canva.com. Once on the home page, you'll see an option to log in or sign up. If you don't have an account yet, click the Sign Up button and enter the requested information. You can sign up using your Google, Facebook, or Apple account, or you can create a new account with your email address. Follow the prompts to set a password, and then log into your new account. Once you've completed the sign-up process, you'll have access to Canva's vast array of design tools and templates ready to help you create stunning promotional materials for your childcare business. When you first log into Canva, you'll see the dashboard where you can access templates, create designs, and manage your projects. To create a design with Canva, start off by clicking the Create a Design button and searching for what you're looking to create. Or browse templates by clicking on the left-hand side menu Template button and scrolling through the various categories offered. Canva offers thousands of templates for different purposes, such as social media posts, presentations, newsletters, and flyers. Once you've selected a template, you can customize it using Canva's drag-and-drop editor. The basic tools include text, images, elements, and backgrounds. You can adjust font, color, and layout to match your branding. To start, we're going to create a sample newsletter. To start, let's search for a template. You can use the search bar here to search through the templates to find one that is applicable to what you're looking to create. As you can see, there is a wide array of newsletter templates that you can choose from that you are able to customize. Designing newsletters in Canva is simple and effective. Begin by selecting a newsletter template from Canva's template library. When you find a template you'd like to use, click on the template and then select Customize this template. This will open a new window where you can fully customize all aspects of your template. Customize the template by adding your own text, images, and branding elements. You can edit text by clicking on the text box, and you can change colors and fonts with the top menu here. Use the elements on the left-hand side to add images, graphics, and shapes to help create sections to organize content. You can use sections on your newsletter to organize content such as announcements, event details, and educational tips. Adding images and graphics can make your newsletter more engaging. Now, let's look at how to create a flyer. Creating flyers in Canva follows a similar process. First, let's find a template. You can search for a template in the way that we previously did, or go to Create a Design, search for Flyer here, choose the size of flyer you'd like to create, and this will open up a blank Canva page that you can design on. You can then search through the array of templates that Canva offers with this pop-out on the left-hand side. You can also search for appropriate templates by using the search bar here. Let's search childcare and see what templates Canva offers. As you can see, there is a wide range of different flyers that are applicable to your business. Click on the flyer you'd like to select, and then click Apply to add the flyer to your blank page. It looks like this template is a little smaller than the size that we chose. To resize the elements, you can simply drag to highlight all elements on the flyer and then expand the shape. Customize the template with your own text, images, and branding. Highlight key information such as event dates, times, and locations. Use bold headlines and vibrant colors to grab attention. You can go to the Elements section here and search for shapes, graphics, GIFs, and even photos and videos to insert into your flyer. You can also upload your own photos by going to Uploads, choosing Upload Files, and searching through your computer to upload your own photos. Add new text by going to the text box on the left menu and scrolling through the various font combinations that are available, or by just clicking the Add a Text Box button. With Canva's design elements, it's easy to enhance your flyer's visual appeal. Canva offers several additional features that can enhance your designs. Under the Elements section, Canva has an extensive library of free stock photos, icons, and illustrations to add professional quality visuals to your materials. However, some premium images and elements are only available with a paid subscription. Elements that are marked with a crown are only available to those with a paid subscription. However, there are plenty of free elements that you can use on Canva. If you'd like to upgrade to Canva Pro, it'll cost you $12.99 a month. Canva also has collaboration features, allowing multiple team members to work on a design simultaneously. To add a team member, roll over the file you want to add someone to, click on this button here, and add them through email. You can share your designs directly from Canva through the Share button, and can choose to download them from here as well. Choose the type of file you'd like to download your flyer in, select which pages, and click Download. Canva also has an automatic save function, so any work you do will be automatically saved for you. Using Canva can greatly benefit childcare providers by making it easy to create professional-looking promotional materials. High-quality newsletters and flyers can help you communicate effectively with parents, attract new enrollment, and keep your community informed about events and updates. Canva's user-friendly interface saves time and resources, allowing you to focus more on running your childcare business. Its collaboration features make it easy to involve your staff in the design process, ensuring that your materials reflect your center's unique personality and values. Canva is a powerful tool that can help you create stunning promotional materials for your childcare business. From designing newsletters to creating eye-catching flyers, Canva makes the process simple and enjoyable. Give Canva a try and see how it can enhance your marketing efforts.